years, we have had influencers, people from all walks of life, lending their voice to this campaign. And as we begin a new decade, there is a very special guest right here. She's a singer, she is a banker and a social activist. Amrita Fadnavis, thank you so much and welcome to NDTV's campaign Banega Swasth India. Just few days back, you and Ayushman were seen together cleaning up the beach. So, environment has been very close to your heart, and it's been one of those causes that has meant you walking an extra mile. When we talk about sustainability, environment, and the role of women in particular, how do you think all these merge?
A very good afternoon to all of you. Hello, and as you said, we've been together at the beach cleanup. I feel that since today's Gandhi Jayanti, let's go back to our basics. And our basics are simple living, high thinking. So I think so if we have to think about sustainability, it is about minimalism, it is about going in tandem with our environment. There are many things which we as individuals or women, we can look into in our societies so that it can bring about a positive change. Let's start with a small act like carrying not carrying plastic bags, but carrying cloth bags for any work we go out and do. Then just walking a little bit rather than taking our vehicles out. Most importantly, using public transport. If we use public transport, it helps us in emitting 33% less emissions compared to passenger miles. And that helps us to reduce carbon footprints and also improve the quality of environment. There are many other things which we can do as households. We can conserve water. 1.2 billion people today are not able to have good drinking water, good quality drinking water. Just by taking care of those leakages and those taps running, we can save up to 50% of this water asset. Then wherever, like in Mumbai or places where there are heavy rains, good rainfall, we can opt for rainwater harvesting, which is a great way to save fresh water, and we can also recycle water wherever possible. In our societies, we can have solar panels, wherein solar energy, as they say, by 2030 can give 30% of the energy requirement. So these are very important steps which we can take care of. We can avoid plastic. 8 million tons of plastic is there in the sea. So at least avoid one-use plastic. That can be avoided.
I think, Maria, what Amrita just said, Ayushman, going back to the basics, especially because it's Gandhi Jayanti, just going back to that. But Amrita, I want to just come to you here. You wear different hats. If I can ask you, as a banker, from that perspective, if I can ask you, how can financial centers or institutions contribute to make a difference when it comes to, saving the river systems or keeping our ecosystems clean? If you can tell us a little bit about that, and how will that ensure hygiene in the communities?
In fact, you would be knowing that Mithi is the longest river here in Mumbai.
Yes.
It is 18 kilometers long, followed by Daisar, Poisar, Oshiwara river. And I have visited these rivers and I was saddened to see the sight because the river bed was full of plastics and sewer. In fact, they have become sewer beds nowadays with industrial waste, plastic and different kind of very toxic materials. So, and the access to these beds becomes difficult if we have to desilt, because 947 industries are dotted around, especially Mithi River, like plywood industries, manufacturing industries, silk industries. So it becomes very difficult to desilt or align it. As an institute, I can say it's a part of our social responsibility. We can take up through CSR the various cleanup activities, or we can help in aligning the STPs there. But majorly, plastic needs to be banned completely, which is my view. which will make our biodiversity thrive again, wherein we all know that because of the rains and the kind of climate we have here, we have leopards and various kind of animals here, but we need to save them by saving our biodiversity.
आपने बिल्कुल सही कहा। आयुष्मान, आप कोई सवाल पूछेंगे या मैं सिंगर से एक सवाल पूछ लेती हूँ?
सिंगर से एक सवाल।
वो सिंगर हैं।
Of course, you should.
अमृता जी, आप सिंगर हैं, सॉन्ग्स एक मीडियम है लेवरेज करने का कैंपेन को, और उसके अलावा कम्युनिटी अवेयरनेस के लिए कितना अहम होता है उसका रोल? क्योंकि बहुत सारा मोड ऑफ कम्युनिकेशन, बहुत सारा मेथड्स यूज़ होता है, पपेट्री, स्ट्रीट प्लेज, टू स्प्रेड अवेयरनेस।
Yes. I feel music is the best form of divinity which can reach our heart instantly. In fact, if you explain anything through music, any cause or any issue which is the burning one in these times, it reaches a person's heart immediately. So it has that kind of vibrations which makes it so much possible that the issue reaches you. And plus there are many platforms in terms of music. You have streaming platforms, YouTube, and mostly since it's coming to the mind, it has those vibrations. Everything conveyed through music is best conveyed. So in fact, for river rejuvenation, we have done few songs which went viral few years back, and they were taken well. Similarly, for cleanliness also, many NGOs have been doing songs, and they are really picked up very well.
Yes.
Because it is virtual, and you can
And it makes
hear
a huge impact, I think.
It has a
Listen to
huge
music.
impact,
Even the Banega
yeah.
Swasth India campaign has launched many albums in different languages, and that definitely has made an impact. Thank you so much, Amrita, for joining us and sharing your thoughts with us.
Pleasure.